Before we start the video, I want you to subscribe to the best Telegram channel at the first link in the description, where we show our earnings on cryptocurrencies, and not only, our capital that we manage is more than $3 million. Here you will find only the most useful. Thanks for subscribing. Also in the description is a links to verified exchangers, when you register on which, you get a welcome bonus from me. Let's get to the video. The first big victory in the crypto industry. Finally, we see that there is something that can be called fairness. After all, one of the cryptocurrencies has won its case against SEC. Let me remind you that SEC had previously stated about LBRY credits that it was a security and that secondary market sales were securities and it was not legal. A settlement was reached just a day before yesterday in this case, much to the credit of attorney John Deaton. The fact is that LBRY had previously lost SEC on summary judgment because on NOV 7/2022, a judge ruled that the original LBC sales were securities. The January 30th hearing focused on whether the token itself was a security. The court classified every sale of an LBC token over a 6-year period as an investment contract, without going into the specifics of the transactions. So, it suggests that there is a very good possibility, then, that Ripple will prevail after all. If we are talking about LBC, this project exists in the market. Here, we see that it's been around for about 6 years, even a little bit more. It is in the 772nd place in terms of capitalization. Also, we want to note that its price has now recently increased to 16 cents, but the project itself has fallen, at the same time, by more than 90%. Its price used to be $1.50, now it's 16 cents, and the fact that the token is rising now is within the fact that Bitcoin has rebounded and the cryptocurrency market is rebounding, well, plus the favorable victory of this particular project over SEC. If we talk about trading, the token is traded on Bitrex, CoinEx and Hotbit. Of course, these are all junk exchanges, but nevertheless, this token exists on some exchanges. So we can say that this is the first cryptocurrency victory in the world against SEC, which declared that it is not a security. And I think that for the crypto industry, this is a great hope for a great future. As for the cryptocurrency market itself, we are now seeing it trade over 1 trillion. Bitcoin is back over $23,000. The cryptocurrency market has also partially revived, and some coins are up 1 or 2% in 24 hours. If we're talking about XRP, on the weekly time frame, we went to 38 cents, that's the closest support on the weekly time frame, but it's not really critical, as long as we continue to trade above the psychological mark of 40 cents, and I think that we will continue to move up. Maybe Ripple will be affected by the effect of beating SEC, and so, the XRP token may even break out beyond 55 cents, to that local high price that was set in September, so it's certainly worth paying attention to the movement that XRP is about to see in the near term. The XRP pair is now trading on the Bitrue exchange. Also, XRP has given us its Q4 2022 report. If we say in general what we have that the Ripple cryptocurrency cross-border payments solution division, launched in France, Sweden, Africa, is now available in almost 40 payment markets. Also, here, the total sales of XRP Ripple, net of purchases, amounted to 226,000,000,000,000 against 350 million in the previous quarter, and accordingly, Persist released the first phase of the Ethereum virtual machine sidechain for the XRP ledger on DevNet, which allows DeFi applications such as Uniswap, Aave, and Compound to easily run on XRPL. This is generally such a brief report. Here we can look at it in more detail, how much XRP has been burned for transaction fees, for example, and here we see that if in Q4 2021, it was there 365,000, it was 101,000 in Q4 2022. Why that difference? Why was there more in 2021? Because in 2021, if you remember, the cryptocurrency market was growing very well at the end of the year, and Bitcoin then at the end of 2021 made new highs. Everything was growing very well, but the price of XRP was around $1, so we're seeing that it's not bad. Pretty much, good report, it's detailed here. and the fact that XRP volumes may be lower. Right now, that's due to the impact of the cryptocurrency market, what position, what state it's in right now. As for Bitstamp, it's introducing a Euro debt note for XRP Ledger with some wallet integration, and they're expanding debt receipt services on XRP. You can now use Euro-backed promissory notes as an entry to the XRP Ledger. Well, that's the kind of thing, that's the kind of news. And the biggest news, of course, is that there is now the first cryptocurrency in history to win a trial. I think we may well be facing a situation where Ripple will somehow lose, or it will still be a tie and so on. But the second time around, as with this cryptocurrency, it could all take on new colors, because, on November 7th, the judge ruled that the original sales were securities, but on January 30th, they ruled that no sales of that token were securities at all, and that's pretty cool. Good luck, everyone. Bye. Everyone,